How you doing? My name is Daniel Nduku and I'm the co-founder of DoxFlowy. In this quick video, I'm just going to give you a walkthrough of the dashboard where everything is, and so you can familiarize yourself with it. So when you first log into DoxFlowy, you'll see create a document workflow or sign a document. This may be different if you've not created anything at all. So when you click create a document workflow, you can either create a document workflow from scratch, or you can upload a document, or you can sign a document. And when you click sign a document, it takes you directly to the signing interface. Now, after that, you can see all of the document workflows that you have created and the recent activity associated with them. And then you can also see your recent sign requests and their status. If you bring out the menu here, there are multiple options for you to choose from. You can choose go into the dashboard, then you have the sign dashboard and the document dashboard, as well as integrations, settings, and then help and support. This help and support link will take you directly to our help and support center. But if you want to live chat with us, it's here on the bottom right corner. And then here it just gives you, lets you know which team you're on, because you can be a member of multiple teams with the same email address. And then in the top right corner here, you have a drop down for some quick links. You can go to your profile, you can add your profile image, change your email address, your password, and then billing. You can update your billing, upgrade your plan, downgrade your plan, cancel your plan. So organization is your organization settings. This is what kind of notifications you get, what happens under certain scenarios, whether you show our branding in certain places. It gives you control over that, and this is under the purview of admin users. And then feedback, you can give us feedback. It'll take you to an external application, and then you can give us feedback about DoxFlowy, maybe a feature you're looking for, or even if you encounter some kind of error or it's difficult for you to kind of use the feature, you can give us feedback there. And of course, you can log out. So that's it for the dashboard. Just a quick overview, help you understand what's going on, where everything is located, so you can quickly navigate it.